here for your language. Hi everyone, I'm Amy.
Amy, help me! How can I improve my wrinkles and sagging? Is there any solution for that?
Of course, you can always count on me. Trust me, whatever age you are, the power of your body has the ability to repair. Today I will share with you the special techniques to boost collagen by stimulating your skin.
The surface layer of our skin is supported by collagen. As we get older, collagen is reduced in our skin. The result is sagging and wrinkles on the face.
But don't worry! With today's special technique, you can boost collagen and rejuvenate your skin. Most massages are done by pushing. However, today I would like to introduce a method to firm up your skin by pinching.
A methodology called Seifu, a specialist in athletic training Ken Jo, has established. Instead of pushing, the area of the skin and blood vessels expands by pulling. The moisture content of the skin also increases, and the youthful skin that is fluffy is restored.
Grab a mirror and let's get started.
Please subscribe to this channel to make it habit. 日本語チャンネルも見てね。Let's get 20 years younger with me. Here we go! And now, put your fingers on here and rotate your elbow like this.
Welcome and welcome back. Thank you for joining today. I am so glad that you are sharing energy with me.
And now do the other side too.
If your shoulders are tense, then your face gets sagging. So let's release your shoulders.
Put your head closer to your shoulders like this and slowly rotate your head.
You can do Bigan yoga every day, morning, daytime, or evening, anytime you want.
Now the other way around.
Don't stop while ads are on.
Put your hands on your knees and stretch your chest and stretch your back. Front, back. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, massage here. And now the other side.
Put your thumb on your one nostril. Breathe out slowly. Slowly take a thin breath as if you are pulling a thread deep inside your nose. Now hold the other nostril. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Pull a thread deep inside. Change nostrils, breathe out, and breathe in slowly. Go on your pace. This breathing technique is one of the traditional secrets of yoga. This corrects the distorted muscles of the face. Very good news! This will remove the left and right difference on the depth of your nasolabial folds and under eye bags. Change nostrils, breathe out and breathe in slowly. Change nostrils, breathe out and breathe in slowly.
Massage side head.
This is very important to uplift your eye bags and nasolabial folds and the rest of your face. If you get tired, you can put your elbows on the table. Don't stop while ads are on.
Now pinch here. And now the other side.
I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. Feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like
Shake your hands like this.
demons pushing all my triggers. Demons pushing all my triggers.
Now pinch your jawline. First from here.
Demons pushing all my triggers. Demons pushing all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.
And now the other side.
Don't stop while ads are on.
And now here like this.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on.
And now here.
When he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us. Yeah,
grab your hands like this and rotate. Breathe deeply. And now the other side. Using this part of your finger and put it here and grab your cheek muscle like this. And lift a little bit and shake.
It is not right if you are just pulling your skin outward. The point is to hold your muscles from the deep inside and grab. Imagine trying to peel muscles from the bone.
Next here, grab and lift up and shake.
Peel fascia to get rid of the blocks in your muscles and remove nasolabial folds.
And next here, grab and lift up and shake.
It is like awakening your muscles from the bottom by peeling them.
And do the other side. Grab, lift, and shake.
If you make this fascia peeling massage your habit, only 3 minutes a day, you will see a stunning result. I promise you.
And next here, grab, lift up, and shake.
Don't stop while ads are on.
And here, grab, lift, and shake. Your fingers like this and pinch here.
This really works to remove wrinkles on the side of your eyes, called crow feet.
And fingers like this and pinch here.
Never do it strongly. Do it very softly. It really works to remove your eye bags. Lift up the corners of your mouth. Tighten under your eyes. Relax in between your eyebrows. Make the best smile ever. And make the happiest smile in the world. Because you are the goddess of smile. Be happy. Never let anyone tell you you look old. We are gonna get the faces that never get any more sagging. Because we will be the happiest faces in the world. The goal is near. Keep it up. Don't stop while ads are on. Put your hands on your face like this.
I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep
I'm so glad that you chose to embrace yourself with love. You are amazing. Your one step today is a great investment to your future beauty. Let's grow our beauty more together with me again. Put your fingers on above the joints like this and lift and shake. Listen to me until you finish this massage. Share your story of Bigan yoga practice. How did your life change? How did your mind and body change? How did your relationship with other people change? Please post your comments for Amy. Your share contributes to uplifting others all over the world. I can help you your transformation. You can always count on me. If you like this video, please hit like button. That really encourages me. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. My goal is to make the world's biggest over 40 health and beauty channel with you, and you. Please give me your power by hitting the subscribe button. Now I recommend these videos for you. See you in my next videos.